There, today we're unboxing this Honey Bowl fogless shower mirror. Has a suction cup, swivel ball, anti-fog technology. Let's see what's inside. It was nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. There's a swivel ball here. It's not very heavy, so that's nice. It'll stay up on the shower wall. You've got a guy that likes to shave in the shower and see what he's doing. This is for you. Nice suction cup, and that's how it attaches. Okay, here we are. We've cleaned our surface. We're gonna attach this so that the lever is down here. We're gonna push it tightly. It even has a handprint there to show you to push it tightly to get the suction. Yep, that's it. We're gonna turn the ball so that when we put this on, this little groove fits with that little groove up there, like so. Just simply slide it in and attach, like this. You remove this plastic film before using, and you have it all ready to go. It has a nice little groove right here. You can put your razor in, and now we have a very clear, nice mirror for the shower. Thanks for watching.